Okay, due to public demand, marami akong natatanggap, no? Requesting for a tutorial. And yes, I'm gonna open my tutorial, which I'm gonna teach you the system and strategy. Here, what you can see is a fresh proof. Although I do have old data, 3 months data, concerning about the way I trade on head and shoulders, which is profitable din po. So, right now, I'm opening a slot for a one-on-one tutorial. If you are interested in this, please create a schedule for appointment. Visit my fan page and create an appointment there, which I am glad to accommodate you, to teach you, and to show you the modules, the goal for the tutorial, the cost, and the duration. All of these, visit my fan page. Thank you.